Welcome, here I've got Motorola One Macro and I'm gonna show you how to change photo resolution in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode. So to change photo resolution we have to move to more options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner, and when we do that we get access to advanced camera settings. And now let's focus on this option, which is the first one here, the photo size. When we tap on this we can change the ratio and the resolution of this picture. So let's focus on the resolution. We can pick from 13 megapixels and 8 megapixels. So this is how it works here. Of course 13 megapixels is the better quality here and it's recommended. So that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.